Dede, most they shook me the egg. That Nanzu Tobo, Zamni Shano, Zamni Hajan, Hajin Mangula, Yare. And it happened to a Deri Nala, Sharap Pension Bode. Dana Nala, you think a Deri, that number pension was Shuji. Didi, Terini, Hajin, Maram Deviar. Sadiri Indu, the Lumos, the Shukmanaya, Semki, the Sastikaria, Chikta Mekiara Rissin, Chiktona Charab Chita, any Chikmanum Tadarchi, Bibiari, Sadiri Indu, Samaria, to Shis Shumi, and a Kanda Chignalia, Chiksene, Chikta, Nyoru Seche. Diana, Nalia, Giga, Tuzilia, Chata Yakshid, Karquareslavna, Jan Sabasamachi, Chiksem Chikos, 2 days or Congo Siles or Chik Maxim Nesson Gias or the Yom Kuduria, made on the Chavashi. Just one. What was Sabasamachi? Nothing, Nalia. Birthday Chata Yakshid Diri, Sadiri Indi, did the Mercy as we named down. Zamnishan, Ling, the Shanta Shabari, Netro Samolo, this some shall not say.
So here, my friend, if you truly love me, then keep in your mind my 3 commitments. And whatever way, you see, wherever you live, try to create compassionate atmosphere, compassionate, atmosphere, compassionate society. Then religious harmony. Then, you see, tell more people Tibetan knowledge which come from Nalanda is quite useful. So, whether believer or non-believer, is worthwhile. This Tibetan knowledge is to keep as a part of academic subject. So, if you practice, if you pay more attention, that's best gift for my birthday. Okay. Just this morning, here, my birthday celebration, I expressed those my friend who who really seriously thinking about my birthday, and at the same time wishing or also prayer for my long life. So I mentioned best gift for me on birthday. Please keep your own mind, your own heart more compassionate, more spirit of seriously or genuinely sense of concern of others' well-being. And with that motivation, if possible, serve other, helping other people, also other animals. If you do not have the opportunity to serving, then at least restrain harming them. So, all my friends and actually brothers and sisters, please keep in your mind, rest of your life, more compassionate life. That's the best present of my birthday.